The SPE-03 Gen 4 is here. It features a range of hardware improvements for seamless installation and operation. The software allows further flexibility, with other exciting features to come. The flow meter is now built in and does not require user installation or adjustment. Simply plug in the nitrogen line for a seamless installation. Side windows provide further accessibility to components and easy handling of the system. Effortlessly detach and reattach cartridge lines when needed. The reduced hanger maximizes access. The USB port is now moved to a more convenient location under the touch screen to easily perform software updates or method transfer. Easily replace fuses from outside the system without opening the back panel. Switching to a low-profile linear rail design for the bottom tray and smaller cartridge rack grants easier access to fractions. The additional space can now accommodate up to 60 ml ASE vials. The sample and rinse lines now use luer fittings for more secure and long-lasting connection. The waste lines are now fixed to the casing. By decoupling them from the fraction rack, it prevents any interference during operation. Our beast pump just got another 30% boost in strength. By offsetting the pumps from the back panel, there is better accessibility. Polypropylene cartridge outlets offer improved corrosion resistance to acids and salts. The new software provides further flexibility using an intuitive design. You may now run the method from any step and choose whether to edit the step you start with, such as reducing the sample loading volume. Of course, the method can stay this way or return to its original parameters after the run. It's entirely up to you. Get more out of the new SPE-03, with even more to come.